Hello everyone, welcome to Kelly College of Commerce. I, Professor Sneha Hiremath of Kelly College of Commerce, Vidyanagar, Hubli, would like to explain nature and significance of management. Introduction. The success of an organization depends on the successful functioning of management. Management is essential for all organizations, big or small, profit or non-profit, services or manufacturing. Management is necessary so that individuals make their best contributions towards group objectives. Hence, it is called as pervasive concept or universal concept. Why? Because the activities involved in managing an enterprise, they are common to all organizations, whether economic, social, or political. It is common, hence, it is said to be universal concept. For example, consider a government which aims at public welfare, manages by having a set of rules and regulations, legal boundaries. A manager involves in these activities and he aims at achieving the goal. As in this case, Prime Minister with his or her team manages the activities. Now, let's see the meaning of management. That is, management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals work together with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. So, here we can see management is insisting on three essential elements. The first is management, it is a process of getting the things done. Process involves planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. The second important is management requires effective performance. And third is management needs efficiency. Here, the difference between effectiveness and efficiency is that effectiveness is aiming at achieving goals within time, whereas efficiency aims at optimum utilization of resources to achieve the goal. Let's see the characteristics of management. Management is a goal oriented process. Every organization will be having its unique goal for its existence. The process involved in the organization will be aiming at achieving that set goal. Next, management is all pervasive. I already explained this particular characteristic of management, that is, the activities involved in this managing an enterprise, they are common to all organizations, whether it's economic, social, or political. Hence, it is said to be all pervasive. Third, management is multidimensional. It has three dimensions. The first one is management of work. That is, it speaks about what is to be done. Every organization exists for the performance of work, and that work has to be managed in order to achieve the set goal. Work will be managed by making plans, assigning the responsibilities, and delegating authority. Next, management of people. That is, it speaks about who is to do it, who is to do that plan. Yes, it is human resource. Human resource is one of the important asset of the organization because people realize the organizational objectives. Hence, managing people has two dimensions. One is it implies dealing with employees as individuals. They have various needs and varies with their behavior. Second is it is implying with an individual as a group of people. Next, managing of operations. Management of operations. That is how to do it, how to do the plan. The word operations means production of goods or services or both. Thus, managing the business operations involves managing people as well as work in the organization. So, this speaks about how to do it. It is combining both management of people as well as management of work. The next is management is a continuous process. Managers perform the functions of management simultaneously, that is, planning the activities, organizing the resources, staffing, that is, placing men for the right job at the right time, directing the flow of activities, and finally controlling by comparing the standard performance with the actual performance. Next, management is a group of activity. Every individual member joins the organization with different purpose, but they work together for achieving the organizational goal. Thus, they form a group to achieve the group goal. Next, management is a dynamic function. An organization interacts with its external environment, which consists various factors like social, economic, and political. Thus, to adapt itself with the changes in the environment, management performs the functions, and those functions will be dynamic in nature to adapt itself with the external environment. Next, and the last, that is, management is an intangible force. Management cannot be seen. It's called as an intangible force. But it is noticeable in an organization when targets are met according to plans, when employees are happy and satisfied, and there is exists orderliness instead of chaos.